Networking isn't just about exchanging business cards, it's about fostering a community of like-minded individuals who can inspire, challenge, and collaborate with you. When you surround yourself with creative thinkers, you tap into a wellspring of inspiration and innovation. Here are some strategies to help you build a network of innovative individuals. 1. Attend industry events and conferences. Industry-specific events provide opportunities to connect with professionals who share your interests. Workshops and panels can offer valuable insights and networking opportunities. Look for events that promote creativity and innovation. 2. Join online communities and forums. Online platforms can connect you with people from around the world. Participate in discussions, share your ideas, and learn from others. Look for communities that focus on creativity, innovation, or your specific field. 3. Volunteer for creative organizations. Volunteering can help you meet people who are passionate about creativity. Working together on projects can foster strong relationships. Consider volunteering for organizations that align with your interests. Leverage social media to connect with people in your industry. Follow influencers and thought leaders who inspire you. And engage in conversations and share your own ideas. Attend local meetups and workshops. Local meetups can provide opportunities to connect with people in your community. Workshops and classes can help you develop your skills and meet like-minded individuals. Look for events that focus on creativity, innovation, or your specific field. Participate in collaborative projects. Working on collaborative projects can help you develop new skills and meet new people. Look for opportunities to collaborate with individuals or organizations that share your interests. Consider joining a co-working space to connect with other creatives. Be proactive and offer value. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire. Offer to help others with their projects or goals. Be a valuable contributor to the community. Remember, building a strong network takes time and effort. Be patient, be authentic, and be willing to give back. By surrounding yourself with innovative thinkers, you can fuel your creativity, expand your horizons, and achieve your goals.